The design of this cartridge makes it very easy to refill. Our dedicated refill kit will match the original colours and page yield. We also sell cartridges for customers who do not want to refill. Locate the correct area to create the refill hole. Use our tool to create a hole. Insert the spout into the hole. Refill your cartridge. Seal the hole using strong tape. As shown here, each cartridge has a chip. Remove the plastic cover. Now remove the used reset chip. Replace the chip as shown in the video. Replace the plastic cover. Your refill is now complete.